guys, so today I'm going to be going through this bag of squishies, so let's get started. Also, my nails match my blanket, slay. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna just grab one out and then let him go. After unboxing, we'll put that to the side, and then we'll come right here. Okay, so here's this, like a dumpling. It's my homemade dumpling. Yeah, if you can't tell by the bottom. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Sorry about the barking and stuff. This feels like really, really nice. It's just like really hard to squish, like with one hand. But it's very moldable if you can't tell. Look, slow rising, I think. Because look, it's slowly going back up. But I rate this a 7 out of 10 because the bottom looks a bit weird since it's homemade. It's a bit hard and like it hurts my hands a bit. Right here. Okay, we'll put that right here. Okay, another one. Okay, I got one. Oh, this is like not squishy. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and feel like the insides, cause like I can't even like squeeze this. Like it doesn't look great. So I'm gonna use this as my holder. Okay, so here's this. This is like rock hard. Like I could really even rip it up, but we're gonna put that back in here. Like so, and then put that. I'm gonna give this a 0 out of 10, cause like, what is this, you know? Okay, next squishy. Oh, it's a pot type of squishy. And the bag is gonna look really sticky. So I'm gonna try to open this and then like take it out and then see. It's a bit sticky. It's just not really sticky. But I like it. It matches my nails. So I rate this a 9 out of 10. I just wish it was bigger. And like I wish it would stick to the bag so like it was more satisfying, you know? So, the next squishy. This is a big one, my butter. I have to move this up all the way back. Okay, hold up, sorry guys. My big butter. My 14 ounces salted butter. Okay, ready? Oh my god. I love this. This is a 10 out of 10. Okay. I'll put that to the side of these other ones. And then we'll go. Oh wait, this isn't squishy. These are like beads. So I'm getting the squishy maker on like June 4th, I think. So I have these beads I'm gonna put inside one of the things. So it's so satisfying, you know. But it's not really squishy. Okay, next. Okay, I got one. Oh, this is a homemade squishy. It's like it smells very good. It smells like lemons, not gonna lie. Oh, I forgot about this squishy. Would y'all want to live in this? Wait, hold up. Would y'all want to live in here? Anyways, I would. Okay, anyways. Next squishy. My dinosaur. I love this one. It's a sugar texture. It's like very stretchy, very like squeezable. And like I really like this one. Not gonna lie, when I first got it, I didn't really like it, but I actually love this. It's like so good. Okay, next squishy. Oh, it's a slow rising squishy. It's this like ice cream. So 3, 2, 1. Like fast rising though, I guess. Okay. I rate it. Oh wait, I forgot to rate this one. This one's 9 out of 10. I just wish it was bigger. This one also 9 out of 10. Cause yeah, this one like 6 out of 10. Because I wish it was just more slow rising. Okay, so these are squishies I've used so far. The best one so far was this butter. And then yeah. Okay. Next squishy. Okay, that one. Oh, it's another big one. Okay, so this is my egg. There's like no air bubbles, just like the tiniest bits of air. Like right here. This much air is in here. It's not that much. Okay, I rate this a 10 out of 10. It's really, really good. Okay, next squishy. We got one. Oh, it's Magneto, Squiggles. I don't know what it's called. It says Super Neato, because it's like the different ones. Would you live in here? It's pitch black. I rate this a 10 out of 10 also. I love like this texture too. Just think it's so satisfying. All the big ones so far are like the 10 out of 10s. Next one. Oh. Okay, I think this is another slow race one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's fast race. I expect the slow rise ones to, like the foam ones to be slow rising. Yeah, I rate this is a bit too hard and it's like really, it's like a fast rise. And there's like a stain right here. I'm trying to get it off. Mainly off. Anyways, I got it off. It's just, I rate this. It's like a 4 out of 10 because it's like really, really hard to squish. And like if you do get to squish it, it's like very fast rising. And like I don't really like that. And it's too big for my hands, even though, because like these ones are like the same size, but like it's way easier and it's not hard. This one too, and it's like way easier, not hard. However, this one is bigger, but like if you get a little section, it's way better. You know? However, this like no. Okay, next one. My ducky duck. I love my duck. It's just a bit big for my hands. I rate this one a 9 out of 10. Like I said, it's just a bit big for my hands. So, next squishy. Okay, I got a tab of squishy, the bag low key. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. It's a bit squishy. I mean sticky. Sorry about that. But I'm going back to rating this squishy. It's a tab of squishy, so it's supposed to be sticky, and I kind of like them sticky. I really like it, but we need to do the bag test, even though like it's a bit like, you know. But tab of squishies need the bag test. 3, 2, 1. It's like kind of sticky to it. I like this a 9 out of 10. It's just wish it was a bit more stickier to the bag. Next squishy. Got one. I really like this one. It's a bit like I have to do it with one hand. there's some like writing marks from my paper on accident. Other than that, like, I really wish I could like squeeze it with two, because I like squeezing squishies with two. This is the only thing I could do with it with two hands. I really do like this, but I just wish I did that. Then this is like coming off, and like it has no eyes anymore, and like you can only squeeze it with one hand. So I'm gonna rate this at 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Ha! I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. Okay, anyways, next squishy. We got one. Another slow rise one. Hopefully not a high rise or fast rise. 3, 2, 1. It's like in the middle. Yeah, it's like in the middle. It's a bit too small for both my hands to play like that. It's like a bit faster. It's like in the middle, right? So like it's not too fast, but it's not too slow. So like, I rate this at 8 out of 10. Next squishy. We're just gonna pull out this one cube one right here because it's the tiniest one. Ew, it's so hairy. Ew, I dropped that. It's really squishy and sticky. So I rate this one like a 5 out of 10. It's just like very hairy and like a mess. So, and it leaves like something on your hands. Like, next squishy. Can I reach any? Okay, that one. Right off the bat, my peach. I love my peach. This is like literally my baby. 10 out of 10, just straight off the bat. 10 out of 10. It has no air in it, actually. Like that tiniest bit of air. 10 out of 10. Okay, guys, we have a big pile of squishy so far. But next squishy, an alien. This actually feels so nice. It's like sticky, which I like sticky ones, but not too squishy. I mean sticky. It's very glittery, stretchy. It's like very nice, but like it feels, I don't know how to explain it. It feels good. My friend got this from, she gave it to me because it was her birthday thing. But she got it from Brad's Toys. So, doesn't leave anything behind. Oh, I forgot to rate it. 10 out of 10. It's like the perfect hand size, you know. So, next. I can't really reach that deep. Okay, I got one. Uh-oh. I really do like this. It makes a lot of noise though. But like, I don't really like, I like sand squishies. This one's just a bit too like, I don't know, it's a bit harder. So I rate this one at 8 out of 10. Next squishy, another sand squishy. It's very big, so it's like kind of hard to squish with one hand. So let's try with both hands. Sorry. It is easier with both hands, but like this is too big. It's not soft or anything. It's just a bit too big, especially if I don't bring these anywhere. Because I like bringing sand squishies with me. I think it's just very good. This one's a bit too big for me to bring. And the body is like empty. Like it just has air in the body. The body's so tiny. Yes. So I rate this one as 8 out of 10. I really do love this alien. Sorry. Anyways, next squishy, it's a mochi. I really like mochis. I don't know why. Especially like they're sticky, and this one's like a bit sticky. I rate it, it's a bit too tiny though, like I can't really like squeeze it like that. But that's how most mochis are. I rate this 8 out of 10. 8. Okay. Next squishy. Oh my god, guys, it's Garfield. He is like a very good, like, textured one. I really love him. And I really like Garfield, so soft. 10 out of 10. I forgot I had Garfield. Because there's like a lot more left, so yeah. Oops. Like, I accidentally dropped my phone. There's like a lot left in here though. I'm lucky gonna grab, like, put them towards the front. You know what? I'm just gonna move the bag forward so I can reach it easier, like that. Okay. Ooh. This is my homemade one. There's like a tiny bit of air. I poked some air out somehow with the balloon, but like it didn't pop or anything. It just like didn't really work. Sorry guys. Wait, ASMR. Okay guys, so this is like really nice. I just wish there was an air in here. But it's fine. When I make, like I said, when I get my squishy maker, I'm gonna put those bigger beads and then take the air out with the syringe, and then that comes right. So yeah. Next, I accidentally grabbed 3 instead of just 1, but it's 3 mochis. So I have this palm mochi. These ones aren't sticky, sadly, because I barely got them yesterday. This squishy, shark squishy, and then this squishy. It's like the cat ones. I forgot what they're called. I like them. Just wish they're a bit sticky. So, I just realized I forgot to rate this one. I rate this one 9.5 out of 10 because like it's just like not really that satisfying with the air still in it. Lena, why are you in my trash can? Okay, I have to hide these squishies from her somehow. She eats squishies or bites them. Anyways, so I rate these 3 squishies 4 out of 10 because like they're not really like, you know, they leave like a powder on your hands. Okay. Next squishy is a homemade one. This was nice. There's like a bunch of air right here. Look at that. But other than that air, this feels nice. I rate this 9.5 out of 10 again. Okay, next squishy. Okay, I grabbed one. I love this one. Luna, out of my closet. Sorry, y'all. My dog is in my closet. My new dog. Okay. Just so cute. It's like really close to it, but I rate this a 10 out of 10. I really love it. I like the size. Feels amazing. So, yeah. Next. My dumpling! My baby! 10 out of 10. Right off the bat, 10 out of 10. I love my dumpling. Smack it all in there. Oh, my dumpling matches my nails. Oh my gosh. Okay. Y'all are gonna look to see what I'm gonna get, but I can't really see. My fuzzball. So low-key, my friend accidentally popped it here, but I glued it back, so it's like totally fine, totally. But it feels really nice. I just wish I had more in here. That's why I might be getting new fuzzball. Yay. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna see what I'm gonna get again. I got one. Ooh, it's a homemade one. It's like really full. I don't know what's in here. There's like a color changing. The color changing matches my nails. Oh my gosh, it's blue. This feels like weird though. Like, hear this. It's not working anymore, but it sounded like water. But it doesn't feel like water. And I don't have any fruit dye, so it can't be water. Okay, I like this though. 8 out of 10. Did I rate my fuzzball? I think I did. If I didn't, I'm changing it if it's not the same, but like a 9.5 out of 10, I think it was. I'm not sure, but that's how I'm rating it right now. Okay, guys, I can't really grab this one. Okay, there we go. My carrot. I really like this one. Luna, what are you eating? Sorry, guys. I think Luna just ate a wrapper. That dog right there. That mischief. Luna, out of my trash. Luna, out of my trash. Okay, also like this carrot. I really like it. I'm really happy I got it too. I rate this 10 out of 10. You guys gotta see what squishy I get now. No, I don't. So. Okay, I got one. My dream drop. This was absolutely amazing. Where's the bottom though? That's my question. Other than that, it's like very foggy, but like I've had this at school so many times, so that's probably why. It says Nido, so it's real. I got this on Christmas when they weren't even trending, then they came really trending after that, so I'm happy I got it. I hope I get more for Christmas or my birthday. I hope they're not really trending anymore during that time in December. Because in December is my birthday and Christmas, so. And during Easter, I hope I get some. Because I'm going to keep this collection and then like keep growing it when like they're not trending anymore. Anyways, back to this. 10 out of 10. I love it. 10 out of 10. Okay, you guys gonna see which one I get next. And got one. Oh, it's a cube. Guys, I went to Target like yesterday and I found this in stock. I'm actually super duper happy I did. Got yellow because that was the only one left. There was like, I don't know what time I went at. But I'm so happy I went to Target today and found these. Yay, I rate this a 10 out of 10. It's so crystal clear. What would you live in this room? Sadly, it doesn't match my nails, but it's fine. Like I said, 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all get to see which one I pick again. And I don't. Oh, so two are connected. I guess I rate both. This has like a lot of air. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really like this one. 7 out of 10. Sorry, I paused. It's just my dogs come on my bed. This is hard. It's like kind of like sand in here. 6 out of 10. Sorry about my dog right here. And then my dog, other dog. They look so alike, guys. What is happening? There we go. I don't know what was just on, but something was just on. Okay, I'm gonna pick one without looking. Got one. It's like a big one, I think, because it's like hard to come out. And this is like one of the sticky. Okay, it's my cheese. 10 out of 10. I don't know. 10 out of 10. She wanted to say hi. This is Luna. That's Marley. She's like really like it's crazy. Okay, I can't get this off. Get off it. My glitter dumpling. My clear dumpling. 10 out of 10. Just the face came off of it, sadly. Would you live in this world? Anyways. Next squishy. I can't see anything, but you guys can. Oh, this is attached. Okay. What's color changing? Like pink. I don't really like this jelly. It has a lot of air in it. 6 out of 10. Next squishy. This is a good texture. It's an air bubble. There's an air bubble. That's the tiniest piece of air. Not piece, but like tiniest thing of air. I need both hands for this. It's like very stretchy. It's like very like squeezable. Very tiny, so you can bring it with you anywhere. Like, so yeah, 10 out of 10. Next one. I don't know if y'all see that. My Iron Man. Does she live in the red world? This one. Okay, they just went down. I'm not going back in this spot because knowing them, they're probably gonna come back on. Guys, it's my bottom of my dream job. I read this. I actually like doing this. Y'all hear that? My dogs are probably too loud down there. So. I'm not gonna read it because it's like not an actual squishy. It's like the bottom of my squishy right over here. It's probably. Guys. Luna! 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 Hold up, guys. I think they stopped. Well, her. She stopped. Oh, never mind. Okay, we're just gonna ignore the fact that they're doing that and let my other dog bark at her and let's see what happens. Okay, because that's what my dad says to do. Next squishy, I got one. This feels nice, but there is a bunch of air. 9.5 out of 10. So much air. This thing is like literally 70% air. Okay, next squish it. It's a mochi. It's a sticky mochi. I like that. 9 out of 10. Okay, I got one. Oh, I got 2 on accident. Okay, so this is my baby snail. It's like sticky, so 10 out of 10. My narwhal is sticky. 9 out of 10. You know if you know. Okay, I think that's it. Nope, there's still more. Okay, I got one. This is like how much air is in here, but other than that, it feels nice. Boom. That's what we do. We bring that boom. Okay, I got one. My jellyfish. My little jellyfish. It's so satisfying. Okay, I want to show y'all something with this jellyfish that I've been waiting for to do. Like on the bottom, how it has this bigger hole, you could take this, take the ball out, and it's like so satisfying. Look at, it's like so satisfying out of it. Like no air in here, and it's like so satisfying. And then you could easily put it back in here, like so. And then fix the tentacle, I think it's called, or whatever. And then back to normal. 10 out of 10. And I love like you know, and then like going with it. Okay, next question. I'm not looking. I got one. Oh, this is attached to it. It's not really sticky. It's kind of sticky. 9.5 out of 10. It's squishy. I don't like how the hair's like sticking together, but other than that, it's the air squishies, which I don't really like air squishies. Ew. 3 out of 10. I don't like this. Okay. Is that last of it? Oh no, there's like a few more. This is the last of it? Okay. So this Ruby Dragon Cat. It has like water on the inside. But I like it. Then it's a mini dumpling. Look at it, it's so cute. It's like a mochi. I rate it 10 out of 10. It's squishy. 9.5 out of 10. Last but not least, best for last. Oh my gosh. This is also from Brad's Toys. It's like the similar texture of like the alien. Where is it? Right here. This alien. They're the same texture. It's like so satisfying. Okay. Okay. Wait. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. But I really love these both. They're both 1,000 out of 10 low-key. Because they're just so good. I don't know how to explain them. But I think that's the last of my squishies. Let me check. Yep, no more squishies. So, with all of these squishies, what do you guys think will be your favorite? Or do you guys have any squishies? Or, like, name a color that, like, I don't know, to be honest. But, do you guys have any squishies? That's a very good question. But yeah. Anyhow, thanks for watching. And bye, guys.